Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Flow by Wispr, a fantastic tool that'll help you manage your projects and collaborate more effectively. Now if you're new to Flow and want to get started, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about how to set up your account. Head on over to the Wispr website by typing in www.flowvoice.ai into your browser. Once you're there, click on the top right corner, download for free to get your download started. At that point, once the download ends, you're going to drag the Wispr icon folder to your applications folder. Now open up the applications folder, you're gonna see that Wispr Flow icon, so click on it and give it a launch. Once you launch, you'll open up directly to the home page or the dashboard where you can navigate through the dictionary, where you can add words, the history of when you use Flow, the settings, and so much more. From there, you can use Flow with almost anything you're doing right away. Feel free to press and hold the function key and start speaking, or for hands-free, press function and space for longer dictations. That's it. Flow is super easy to use and will save you so much time every single day. When it comes to pricing, there's two options, but it's based on how you plan on using it. If you're by yourself like me, check out the $12 a month. You can save 20% if billed annually, which gets you everything in Flow Basic. However, you get unlimited words per week, command mode for editing, Flow learns your writing style, and so much more. For $24 a month, this is recommended if you have a team. With that, you're given everything in Flow Pro with unlimited shared contacts, SSO SAML support, SOC 2 compliance, and VIP support in 12 hours. Either or, download it for free, give it a shot, you have nothing to lose, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. Also, comment down below if you guys are currently using Flow and if you guys have any questions for us. And subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be tons of awesome content, future videos, tips, tricks, interviews. You guys are gonna love this. And make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for next video. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.